Hi guys, today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 3304, which is find the kth character in string game 1. Okay, so the description here says that Alice and Bob are playing a game. Initially, Alice has a string word equal to A. You are given a positive integer k. Now Bob will ask Alice to perform the following operation forever. Generate a new string by changing each character in word to its next character in the English alphabet and append it to the original word. For example, performing the operation on C generates CD and performing the operation on ZB generates ZBAC. Return the value of the kth character in word after enough operations have been done for word to have at least k characters. Note that the character Z can be changed to A in the operation. Okay, so for the first example, we can see that we are given value of k equals to 5. So as per the description, we have to start from the word A. Okay, so initially we have word A and then we will append. Now the value of k will increment and we will append another character to it and the string will become AB. Okay, so now AB will be the generated string, and now when we will increment the string by 1, therefore the string that we will get will become ABBC. Now the generated string has become BCCD, and when we increment the value, now the word will become ABBCBCCD. We can say that when the word has length 1, the generated word becomes the length of generated word becomes 2. When we have length of generated word as 2, then the next word becomes length of next word becomes 4. We can see that the length of the word is incrementing by exponential position. So we can see that we have to give the output the character at position k in the final string. So we can see that the fifth string in the generated string is B. Therefore, we will output the character B. Now let's move to the solution approach. Okay, so we can see that as we are incrementing the length of the word, we are seeing that the length of the word is becoming exponential. So to find it in a better way, we are using bit manipulation in it. We can observe that the number of times the character at position k is incremented, it is equal to the number of ones or the set bits in the binary representation of k minus 1. Okay, so why we are using k minus 1 here? Because we are working with 1 based indexing and the bit manipulation works with 0 based indexing. So here we are doing k minus 1. So for the solution, we will subtract 1 from k to get 0 based index, and then we will count the number of set bits in the binary representation of k minus 1, and then we will add this count to a and cast it to char and then return it. So the time complexity of this approach is big O of log k, where integer.bitCount k minus 1 function is using big O of log k time in the worst case, and the space complexity is big O of 1 as we are not using any other variable. Now let's move to the code. Okay, so now for the code, we only have to write one single line, which is we have to return the typecast character of the word A plus integer.bitCount k minus 1 as we are using bit manipulation. Now we will run this code and it passes all the test cases, and now we will submit it. And it beats 100% of the solution. So if you have any query, you can connect with me on LinkedIn or either comment on this video below. Thank you.